Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Fiverr. Whether you're switching to a more professional email or simply updating your contact information, this process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes to complete. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your Fiverr homepage where you can access all your account features and settings. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Fiverr account, from payment methods to personal details. Once you're in the Account Settings area, click on Personal Information. This section contains all the basic details associated with your account, including your name, contact information, and other personal data that Fiverr uses to identify and communicate with you. In the Personal Information section, look for the field labeled Email Address. You'll notice an Edit button positioned right beside it. Go ahead and click Edit. This action will unlock the email field, allowing you to make changes to your current email address. Now, you'll need to delete the existing email address that's currently displayed in the field. Select all the text and remove it completely to make room for your new email. Once the field is cleared, carefully type in your new email address. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this will be the primary way Fiverr contacts you about orders, updates, and important account notifications. After you've entered your new email address, click Update Email Address. Fiverr will process this change and may send a verification email to your new address to confirm the update. Be sure to check your inbox and verify the change if prompted, as this ensures the security of your account. And there you have it. Your Fiverr email address has been successfully updated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.